Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make Mrs. Fields chocolate chip cookies at home. Into a large bowl, add 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of caster or superfine sugar. Mix until creamy and smooth and there are no lumps. Then add 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix well. Into a separate bowl, add 2 3/4 cups of plain flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Pour the dry mix into the wet mix and mix until well combined. Finally, add 2 cups of baking chocolate chips. These will keep their shape during the baking process. Using a 1/4 cup measure, scoop out portions and place on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Make sure you keep them around 3 inches apart as they will grow. Place into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit for 16 to 20 minutes or until lightly brown. Remove and immediately take off the baking tray, being careful not to break them. Leave to cool for 10 minutes before handling. The world's favourite chocolate chip cookie from Mrs. Fields with more chocolate than flour is now easy to make at home. And all we have to do now is get stuck into these bad boys.